sheet pan summer vegetables with shrimp. This is a great recipe for summer to use up whatever produce you got out of your garden. Most of this stuff came from my garden. Got about 10 ounces of shrimp here. I'm gonna put 2 cloves of garlic in, drizzle of olive oil. I have a zucchini that I sliced up. Came from my lettuce grow from my garden, grew this myself. I am gonna add a small chopped shallot. You can use whatever onion you have. I just had a shallot that needed to be used up. Cherry tomatoes that I also grew. Some corn. You can just get fresh corn this time of year. If you don't have fresh corn, you can use frozen corn. This is fresh corn from last season that I chopped up and froze at the end of the season, and I've been saving it. All right, here's my shrimp and garlic, olive oil. I'm gonna add the shrimp to the pan. I'm gonna hit it with some crushed red pepper flakes, and I've got some feta. I'm just gonna crumble it over the top. 420-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. It's been in for 10 minutes, it looks amazing. I'm just throwing it into the broiler for 2 seconds because I just want it to get a teeny bit brown. Sheet pan summer veggies with shrimp and feta. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of basil. You could also add a little bit of lemon. Oh my God, we're having this for dinner. Follow Grown Up Dish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings. There's nothing easier than this.